welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of Fast Fun Fix Friday, where we do something fun, make something fast, or fix something broken. What was heard of? If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana. I would love to have you a part of our Ohana. And in this Fast Fun Fix Friday, I got a slime dare in the comments, and someone said, I dare you to mix all your slimes together. But you guys have seen that 50 million times. How many fizz mixed slimes all together can you guys see? So you know what? I double chill, dear girlfriend, and today we're mixing all our slimes together and adding them to candle wax. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this big chunk of candle wax and add it all to our mixing of slime. So let's go do that, you guys, and let's go. Okay, Ohana, so first we need to light this candle. Now the candle is lighted, we're gonna wait for it to melt, and we're gonna mix all our smoothies together, our slimes together, Ohana. So let's go mix that slime. Look at the color. Isn't it beautiful? Oh. Okay, so we're gonna mix all our slimes right now. This is my oil slick slime. Here's my candy slime. Here's my cream cheese slime. Here's my Mardi Gras slime. Oh my God, you guys. Here's my funny looking slime that fell. Here's my galaxy slime. I had to save half of it. This one's my favorite. Look at it. And here is my birthday cake slime. So we're gonna mix all these slimes together, and then we're gonna put candle wax on them, okay? Oh my God, look at this. Look at the pretty colors, you guys. Look how pretty. Isn't this beautiful? Wow. Okay, let's speed this up and mix it. My God. Oh wait, there's a big thick of slime in here. Look at this. This slime won't mix. You mix, baby oil slime. Okay, so it's all mixed, and now we're gonna put candle wax on our slime, and then we're gonna use a spoon to stab it, okay? So here we go. Oh. Okay, wait, let me show you guys the candle wax. Oh my God, this is crazy, you guys. Oh my God, hold on. Okay, you guys, so now that we mixed our slime smoothie, we're gonna take our candle wax and pour it. Well, I don't have a lot, but we're gonna take it and pray for a miracle. Oh my God, I can't believe we're doing this. Ah! Oh! Okay, I poured it all in. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. It cooled down. Oh my God. Oh, is that all that happened? Really? Okay, let's mix it in our slime smoothie. Oh my God. I can't believe we just did that, you guys. Oh my God. That was epic. Oh. Oh my God. Look at all the candle wax. Oh my God. I'm gonna go melt it in the microwave and we're gonna try to see if we can mix it in. Okay, so I melted the rest of the candle wax in the microwave. So now we're going to put it in the slime smoothie. Woo, ha, 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 woo. Oh my God. Oh, it's not that high. Oh my God. Oh. Ha, 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 ha. Where's the spoon? Oh my God. Oh my God, this is crazy, you guys. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is epic. Oh, wow. So I really hope you enjoyed this candle slime smoothie. Let me know in the comments what other slime dares you would like me to do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in our next episode of Slime Dares. Bye, you guys.